Cartoon TV. Learn, explore, and have fun. Subscribe Cartoon TV. Today we learn winter vegetables. Papaya. Papaya is winter vegetable. Chili. Chili is a winter vegetable. Bitter ground. Bitter ground is a winter vegetable. Tomato. Tomato is winter vegetable. Brinjal. Brinjal is a winter vegetable. Radish red. Radish red is a winter vegetable. Corn. Corn is a winter vegetable. Cucumber. Cucumber is a winter vegetable. Coriander. Coriander is a winter vegetable. Spinach. Spinach is a winter vegetable. Turnip. Turnip is a winter vegetable. Radish. Radish is a winter vegetable. Carrots. Carrots are winter vegetable. Peas. Peas are winter vegetable. Onions. Onions are winter vegetable. Mustard. Mustard is winter vegetable. Dill. Dill is a winter vegetable. Cabbage. Cabbage is a winter vegetable. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a winter vegetable. French beans. French beans are winter vegetable. Bye bye kids. Subscribe for more videos.